Hello, my name is Ruth, and I would like to help you learn new words in English. Join me next for Hello Word Power on Hello Channel. This is Hello Channel. Hello, welcome to Hello Word Power. My name is Ruth. Today we're learning words in English that begin with the letter L. Capital L, small l. The letter L is the 12th letter of the English alphabet. L is a consonant. L makes the sound L, L. You try it. L. That's right. Are you ready to learn? Let's begin. Lollipop. Lolly, pop. Lollipop. You say it. Lollipop. Again, lollipop. One more time. Lollipop. That's right, lollipop. A lollipop is a piece of hard candy on a stick. The little child wanted to lick her red lollipop. Say it one more time, lollipop. That's correct. Lonely, lonely, lonely. Now you say it, lonely. Again, lonely. One more time, lonely. Well done. If you are lonely, you are sad because you are by yourself. Walter was lonely, living all alone in his big house. Lonely. Say it one more time. Lonely. Correct. Long. 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 You try it. Long. Again. Long. One more time. Long. Yes, that's right. Long means of more than average length, distance, or time. Grace took a long walk in the afternoon. Long can also mean to want something very much. Ivan longs to travel to Europe. Say it again. Long. Yes, that's right. Look. 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 Say it with me. Look. Again. Look. Once more. Look. That's correct. Well done. Look means to use your eyes to see things. Louis will look out the window to see the birds. Look. Say it again. Look. Correct. Lotion. 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 Now you say it. Lotion. Again, lotion. That's correct. Lotion is a thin cream that is used to clean, soften, or heal a person's skin. Paula rubbed lotion on her dry, sunburned skin. Say it again. Lotion. Loud. 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 Now it's your turn. Say loud. Again, loud. Once more, loud. Correct. Loud means noisy or producing a lot of sound. The music was too loud. It hurt my ears. Say it again, loud. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
You can learn English at home. Watch Hello Channel.
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. Lower. 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 Say it with me. Lower. Once more. Lower. Well done. Lower means to move or bring something down, as in to lower a flag. They lived in the lower apartment. Lower also means to make or become less. The smaller stores had to lower their prices so they could compete with the new supermarket. Say it again. Lower. That's correct. Love. 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 Now you say it. Love. Again. Love. One more time. Love. Well done. This is a good word. Love means to like someone or something very, very much. The wife loved her new husband. Irene loves good music. Love. Say it one more time. Love. Low. 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 You try it. Low. Yes, one more time. Low. Well done. Low means not high or not tall, or low can mean below the usual level. The tree branches are hanging very low. Say it one more time. Low. Correct. Luck. 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 Now you say it. Luck. Again. Luck. One more time. Luck. Well done. Luck means something that happens to someone by chance. Julie felt like she had good luck because she found some money on the ground. Luck. Say it one more time. Luck. Correct. Luggage. 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 You try it. Luggage. Again, luggage. One more time. Luggage. That's correct. Luggage is the suitcases and the bags that you take with you when you go on a trip or travel somewhere. Scott carried his luggage through the airport. Say it again. Luggage. Well done. Lullaby. 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 You try it. Lullaby. Again. Lullaby. One more time. Lullaby. Correct. A lullaby is a gentle song. It is sung to send a baby or a child to sleep. The mother sang a sweet lullaby to her brand new baby. Say it again. Lullaby. Well done. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
Learning English may be the biggest factor in the jobs you can get and the money you can earn. Hi, I'm Michelle, and I want to tell you about Hello Channel, an exciting new channel that teaches you English as you're watching TV. As you watch Hello Channel, you'll see, read, hear, and speak English, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to a better job and a brighter future. All you have to do is say hello.
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. Lunch. 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 You say it. Lunch. Again. Lunch. One more time. Lunch. That's right. Lunch is the meal that you eat in the middle of the day, after breakfast and before dinner. Juan invited Kate to eat lunch with him. Say it again. Lunch. Correct. Luscious. 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 You try it. Say luscious. Again. Luscious. One more time. Luscious. Well done. Luscious means delicious. The wonderful meal was finished with a luscious dessert. Say it one more time. Luscious. Luxury. 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 You try it. Say luxury. Yes, again. Luxury. One more time. Luxury. That is correct. Well done. Luxury means something that you do not really need, but that is enjoyable to have nonetheless. Scott had always wanted a luxury car, but did not have the money for it. Say it again. Luxury. Well done. Lyric. 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 You try it. Say lyric. Again. Lyric. One more time. Lyric. Yes, that's right. Lyrics are the words to a song. Sam wrote the lyrics while Abby composed the music for the new song. Say it again. Lyric. That's correct. Well done. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
For a brighter future, just say hello.
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. Laptop. Lap. Top. Laptop. Now you say it. Laptop. Again, laptop. One more time. Laptop. Yes, that's correct. Laptop. A laptop is the name for a microcomputer that is designed to be portable and travel easily. A laptop is small and slim enough to use at a small table, a tray, or on a person's lap. Elliot takes his laptop with him everywhere he goes. Say it again. Laptop. Correct. License. Sense. License. You try it. License. Again, license. One more time. License. Yes, nice job. A license is a permit from official authority to own or use something, to do a particular thing, or to carry on a trade or job. If you want to drive a car or a truck, you must have a driver's license. To go fishing or hunting, you also need a license. And to own and operate a store or a company, people must have a business license. Andrew will get his driver's license at age 16. Say it again. License. Correct. Lifetime. 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 You say it. Lifetime. Again, lifetime. Once more, lifetime. That's correct. Lifetime means the total amount of a person's life, the duration of a life from birth to death. Sarah plans to spend the rest of her lifetime researching disease in Africa. Lifetime also means the length or duration of something's existence or usefulness. The mechanic installed a new engine to extend the lifetime of Larry's car. Say it one more time. Lifetime. Correct. Well done. You did very well today. Now, practice some of the new words you learned on Hello Word Power. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.